Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare BMW 2 Series Convertible versus Audi A3 Cabriolet. We'll explore their key differences and similarities to help you decide which luxury compact convertible best suits your needs. We'll cover everything from engine power and handling to interior design and available tech features. Get ready for a detailed look at these two impressive open-top cars. When it comes to performance, the BMW 2 Series Convertible typically offers a rear-wheel drive setup, providing a classic sporty feel. Engine options often range from around 134 horsepower up to 335 horsepower for the M performance models. The Audi A3 Cabriolet, on the other hand, usually comes with front-wheel drive, with quattro all-wheel drive available for enhanced traction. Its engines generally produce between 150 and 201 horsepower, with the S3 variant offering over 300 horsepower. Both provide engaging drives. Inside, both convertibles boast premium cabins with high-quality materials and comfortable seating. The BMW 2 Series Convertible typically offers an iDrive infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen, while the Audi A3 Cabriolet features its MMI system, often with a 5.8-inch to 7-inch display. Both include navigation and smartphone integration. Trunk space in the BMW is around 280 liters with the roof down, expanding to 335 liters with the roof up. The Audi offers approximately 320 liters of trunk space. Considering value, starting prices for these luxury convertibles typically begin around $34,000 for the BMW and $39,000 for the Audi, varying with trim and options. Both offer strong resale value, but maintenance costs can differ. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize BMW's sporty rear-wheel drive dynamics or Audi's refined all-wheel drive capability. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.